If you're looking for a versatile, portable, and efficient cooking solution, this OVENTE electric countertop double burner is an excellent choice. This powerful double burner, equipped with a 725-inch and a 610-inch cast iron hot plate, offers a combined wattage of 1700 watts, making it ideal for a variety of cooking needs. Whether you're frying, boiling, or keeping food warm, this countertop burner promises quick heating, even cooking, and robust durability. Let's dive into a detailed review of this exceptional product and discover why it stands out in the market. Why choose the OVENTE electric countertop double burner? The dual burners with independent controls allow you to cook a variety of dishes simultaneously, from frying steaks and boiling pasta to simmering sauces and keeping food warm. This versatility makes it an essential tool for any kitchen. The stainless steel housing is not only durable but also resistant to high temperatures and fire, ensuring your safety during cooking. The non-slip rubber feet add an extra layer of stability, preventing any accidental movements. Ideal for small spaces and portable use, the OVENTE Double Burner is perfect for studio apartments, dorm rooms, RVs, and camping trips. Its lightweight design and compact size make storage and transportation hassle-free. Cleaning the burner is straightforward, requiring only a damp sponge or disinfectant wipe. This ease of maintenance ensures that your burner stays clean and ready for the next cooking session. One of the most notable features of the OVENTE electric countertop double burner is its efficient power output. With a combined power of 1700 W, this double burner heats up quickly and ensures your food cooks evenly. The larger 725-inch plate is perfect for larger pots and pans, while the smaller 610-inch plate accommodates smaller cookware. This dual functionality allows you to prepare multiple dishes simultaneously, making it a valuable addition to any kitchen, especially during the holiday season or family gatherings. Precision is key when it comes to cooking, and the OVENTE Double Burner offers adjustable temperature control to help you achieve just that. Each burner is equipped with its control knob, allowing you to switch between low, medium, and high settings based on your cooking needs. Whether you're simmering a delicate sauce or bringing water to a rapid boil, you have complete control over the heat. The indicator light on the front panel illuminates red when the cooktop is heating, providing a visual reminder and adding an extra layer of safety. Safety is a primary concern for any kitchen appliance, and the OVENTE electric countertop double burner does not disappoint. The unit is built with durable stainless steel housing that can withstand high temperatures and resist fire hazards. Unlike other portable burners that may warp or rust over time, this double burner maintains its structural integrity even after years of use. Additionally, it features non-slip rubber feet that ensure stability during cooking, preventing any accidental movements or spills. Living in a small apartment, college dorm, or RV often means limited kitchen space. The OVENTE Double Burner is designed with space efficiency in mind. Its compact size makes it easy to store in a cabinet or under a counter when not in use, and its lightweight design means you can easily transport it for weekend camping trips or outdoor cooking sessions. Despite its small footprint, this burner packs a punch in terms of performance and functionality. Cleaning up after cooking can be a hassle, but the OVENTE electric countertop double burner makes it simple. The cast iron hot plates are non-stick, so you won't have to scrub off food drippings and oil splatters. Once the unit has cooled down, simply wipe the non-electrical parts with a damp sponge or a disinfectant kitchen wipe and pat dry. This ease of maintenance ensures that your burner remains in pristine condition and is ready for the next use. OVENTE stands by the quality of its products, offering a 1-year warranty that covers defects in material and workmanship under normal use and conditions. This US-based customer service commitment gives you peace of mind, knowing that you can reach out for support if you encounter any issues. The company's reputation for high-quality kitchen appliances further reinforces the reliability of the OVENTE electric countertop double burner. OVENTE's 1-year warranty and US-based customer service provide additional reassurance, allowing you to purchase with confidence and knowing that any issues will be promptly addressed. Final thoughts. The OVENTE Electric Countertop Double Burner is a powerful, versatile, and reliable cooking appliance that meets the needs of various cooking scenarios. Its efficient power, adjustable temperature control, durable construction, and compact design make it an excellent choice for those with limited kitchen space or the need for an extra cooking device. Whether you're a college student, a small apartment dweller, or someone who loves outdoor cooking, this double burner offers the perfect blend of performance, safety, and convenience. By investing in the OVENTE Double Burner, you're not only enhancing your cooking capabilities, but also ensuring a high-quality and safe cooking experience. Don't miss out on this exceptional product that promises to make your cooking more efficient and enjoyable. If you found this review helpful, please like, comment, and share your thoughts below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more reviews and cooking tips. Happy cooking!